best time to decide whether or not your files will have bleed or no bleed is at the beginning of the design process. You can adjust for it later, but making this choice early on is ideal. When choosing bleed or no bleed, consider things like cost, quantity, background, market, style, customer, print size, white borders. So you've decided to include bleeds. You're in luck! InDesign provides guides for bleeds to remind you to extend colors, photos, and graphics past the edge of the page border to the bleed guide. To make bleed guides visible, include them when you create a new document. Or go to File, Document Setup, and enter the size under Bleed. Then click OK. With the guides visible, it's easy to see where to extend the colors, photos, and graphics. Elements you do not want to bleed off the edge should be kept in the safe area. Using InDesign margins as guides, move any elements that are too close to the page border into the safe area. Typically, the default margin is set to 1/2 inch. If you want to adjust them, it's best to go no smaller than 1/4 inch. To adjust margin guides, either include them when you create a new document or go to Layout, Margins and Columns, and enter the size under Margins. Then click OK. Once the printed materials are ready for finishing, there is a possibility of some jiggle or slight movement while being trimmed. However, using InDesign guides for the bleed and safe area helps eliminate misaligned page borders. And important information in the safe area will not get trimmed off. Now you know how to set up your InDesign file with bleeds, printed right to the edge.